How to enable one-handed mode on your Android device. Go ahead and open your device, swipe down and tap on settings on the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you do that, just tap on the search icon on the top right hand side once and then tap on one-handed or search for one-handed mode. It will appear and it will be inside advanced features. Go ahead and tap on the one-handed mode and tap on this button over here. So once you do this, just go ahead and enter it. And as you can see the gesture, to enable the one-handed mode, you can swipe down in the center of the bottom or edge of the screen. So all you need to do is just go ahead and swipe down. As soon as you swipe down like this, the one-handed mode will be turned on. So to turn the one-handed mode, it's quite easy. Just go ahead and go to settings on the top right hand side. Click on search icon and search for one-handed mode. After you go into one-handed mode, you can see there is option of gesture. Just go ahead and tap on gesture and the one-handed mode will be enabled if you wish for. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.